Hi my friends, I'm here in the shop today working on this, the hoseless autococker grip frame, right? So you may have seen this already. I've got a pressure regulator located here inside of the grip itself, which eliminates the need to have a hose going from the ASA adapter to the spot where there normally would be a regulator. The reason I want to turn the camera on today is because I'm making some of the internals for these, because there's a lot of parts that go on the inside, the ASA adapter, some of the foregrip stuff too, and that's what I'm going to be showing you today. Crucially, let me find one of the parts that doesn't have a plug. Here we go. So this is the item I'm going to be showing you. It's kind of a knockoff of the Black Magic regulator, because some of the people that were testing these parts out last year said, I like the idea of having no hose, but I still like the feel of a round grip, because we have all these different options, right? I've got 3-finger option that just bolts on, 4-finger option, there's cover plates, there's other grips too. So the foregrip itself just becomes what we call a dummy component. In this case it has a mount that goes on there that interfaces with the frame and then the grip itself. So I turned the camera on today to show some of the cool stuff we do on the lathe, because traditionally I just don't have a lot of like large items that are at all interesting. Almost everything we do is stuff like this. It's just knobs and air fittings and boring things like that. So I turned the cameras on. I put this inside the lathe. It's a coolant-resistant camera case. This is what I use to film all my in-machine footage now, because it wicks away all of the coolant that hits the lens. Really nice piece of technology, and you're about to see it in action inside the machine. So I hope you enjoy the video. Let me know, and look for this coming soon. Thanks.
you.